the end stroke of a letter? Answer: ending or terminate stroke of toe. A small loop or curve formed inside the letters. Answer: eye, eyelet, or eye loop. The lower part which rests on the baseline. The small letter M has 3 feet and the small letter N has 2 feet. Answer: foot. Any repeated elements or details which may serve to individualize writing. Answer: habits. The term applied to the irregular thickening of ink which is found when writing slows down or stops while the pen takes stock of the position. Answer: hesitation. A gap occurring between a continuous stroke without lifting the pen. Answer: hiatus or pen jump. The rounded outside of the top of the bend stroke or curve in small letters. Answer: hump. The extra deposit of ink in the initial and terminal stroke due to the slow withdrawal of the pen from the paper. Answer: nub. The stroke that connects 2 strokes of a letter. Answer: ligature or connection. Those letters with both upper and lower loops. Answer: long letter.